Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change vibration intensity in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for these options? So, vibration intensity can be found in Settings, then Sound Vibration, of course, and here we have Vibration Intensity. Here we have different options for different functions. We can specifically change vibration intensity to any function we want here. Also, we can make our vibration a little bit louder. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.